Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Google section. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and the Google Password Manager. Now just click on your password that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!